So welcome students. So in this question you given a parabola y square is equal to 4x and a circle x square plus y square minus 54y plus 704 is equal to 0. So we know what this parabola is. Y square is equal to 4x whose vertex is origin and it's a horizontal parabola, and the circle has center 0, 27 and the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c, root of 27 square minus 704. So that is root of 729 minus 704, root 25 is equal to 5. So the radius is root of 27 square minus 704, which is equal to 5 units. So this is a circle whose center is 0 is 27 and radius is equal to 5. And the first statement says that the minimum distance between these two is root of 522. The second statement is the shortest distance between the two curves occur along the common normal. So obviously the second statement is true, there is no doubt about it. The second statement is a general statement, general theorem. So the shortest distance between any two curves occur along the common normal. Now if you want the shortest distance between these two, you have to find the common normal. We know that the normal of the circle always passes through the center. The normal, the general normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is given by y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So now the normal to y square is equal to 4x. You can see that the value of a is equal to 1. So if a is equal to 1, you have y is equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. So this is a general normal to this parabola. Now this normal has to pass through 0, 27 for this to be a common normal. So if this normal has to be a common normal, this has to pass through 0, 27. That means 0, 27 has to satisfy this. So this implies 27 is equal to, so x is equal to 0, so minus 2m minus m cube. This implies m cube plus 2m plus 27 is equal to 0. So this is a cubic equation in M. So what should be the answer to this? So obviously you cannot directly solve a cubic equation. So you have to try different values for M. So if M is equal to, when M is equal to 0, this is positive. When M is equal to minus 1, this is positive. M is equal to minus 2, minus 8, minus 4, minus 12 plus 27. Still it is positive. So if you try to draw the graph of this, so at M is equal to 0, the value is 27. When M is equal to minus 1, the value is minus 24. When M is equal to minus 2, again the value is negative. When M is equal to minus 3, we have minus 27, minus 4 plus 27. So at minus 3, the value is negative. So the root lies between minus 2 and minus 3. The answer to this, the solution of M, lies between minus 2 and minus 3. So how do you get the solution to this? So we know that there is no standard method to solve a cubic equation. So what I see is, so is there any other way to prove or disprove this statement? So first we know that the distance, the center of the circle is 0, 27 and the radius is 5, and this point will be 0, 22. And we know that the vertex of the parabola is 0, 0. So the distance between this point and this point is 22. So the shortest distance between these two, so we know a set of points which are at a distance of 22 units. So whatever is the shortest distance will be less than 22. So shortest distance between these two lines will be less than 22, and it will be less than root of 484. So I know this much, but according to the question, it is given that the minimum distance between these two is root of 522, which is greater than this. Hence you have a contradiction. Hence the first statement is false, obviously. So what is the minimum distance between these two curves? It's difficult to find unless I find the slope. So once I find the slope, I can get the point. So this distance minus r will be the minimum distance. But this cubic equation is not easily solvable. So I looked for some other way to disprove this statement. So the minimum distance should be less than 22 units, that is root of 484. So it cannot be root of 522. So S1 is false and S2 is true. That will be the answer to this question.